Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite, the secrets out for the most amazing, delicious, moist, and flavorful chicken. You can make it in no time. You can serve it with so many dishes. You can have on top of a salad, in a wrap, with pasta, any way you like. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. So it's crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. Because we're gonna marinate the chicken, it's gonna have tons of flavor. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a quarter cup of white wine, any white drinking wine you like, the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of half a lemon, 3 cloves of garlic smashed, or I'm using the microplane to grate the garlic, just like so. I'm gonna add some seasoning, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Add extra virgin olive oil, mix the whole thing, and the marinade is ready. And as always, and for your convenience, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Here I have 2.5 pounds of chicken breast I cubed into good sized cubes, 2 inches I would say. I add on top of the marinade. I just took it out of the fridge, but I'm gonna leave it on the countertop with the marinade for an hour. I want it to come to room temperature. That's even better. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the breading, which is super simple. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1.5 cups of panko crumbs. You can get the Italian seasoned one, but I do get the plain one and I season it myself. I'm adding a generous amount of Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper. I mix, and now I'm gonna start breading the chicken. So I waited 1 hour and the chicken smells heavenly. You're gonna cover all sides of the chicken very well with a panko mixture. Place on top of a baking sheet, and I lined the baking sheet with foil and parchment paper for easy cleanup. Spread them apart and don't crowd them inside the baking sheet. I'm gonna spray with olive oil spray and in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. And maybe it's helpful to use a thermometer because you don't want to overcook these little beauties. Please give this recipe a try. They are so impressive and so quick and easy to make. Great for a weeknight meal. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!